Let me show you how you can change the backdrop color in LibreOffice Draw. When you create a new project, you will get this default A4 document with the white backdrop. But you can easily change the properties of that on the right side here. Click on this little menu if it's closed, like in my case. Select Properties and you will see the size of your paper, portrait or landscape, and also backdrop. By default, it's none. You can insert image here, or you can just switch this to color, gradient. We can have a bitmap, pattern, or even a hatching one. So I will go with the color first, and now I can select the color of the backdrop here. Keep in mind, we got these margins that you can change to none, so the backdrop will fill in the whole page. If you want a custom color, click this option below and you got the whole color wheel. Click OK and we got our new color. As you may notice before, there's also gradient option with two colors, so we got smooth transition between two colors. Hatching, when we can put some kind of very simple pattern inside. Bitmap, when you can put an image that will repeat, so it's a bit more complex pattern. There's several ready-to-use bitmaps. There's a pattern itself, and like always, you can back to none if you change your mind. Most of us will simply need to move to color and establish a brand new color, and that's it. Then you can fold this menu, clicking here, hide. And that's how easy it is to change the backdrop of your document in LibreOffice Draw. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.